Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the motherboard and case fit multiple GPUs. Check available PCIe slots and riser compatibility. Once done, calculate total power draw and select a PSU or dual PSU configuration with headroom. Make sure 80+ efficiency and proper rails. Next, assemble PCIe risers plus required SATA or Molex adapters and keep all mounting screws and standoffs ready. This front-loading prevents bench delays and lets you begin physical installation immediately. You now install risers into the motherboard PCIe slots and secure them to the case to prevent strain. Once in place, seat each GPU into its riser, tighten mounting screws, and attach 6/8-pin or dual connectors. Make sure cables route cleanly to avoid airflow blockage. Then power on briefly to enter BIOS. Enable above 4G decoding, set PCIe link speed if stability issues arise, and disable onboard GPU to prioritize discrete cards. This step readies the system for software configuration. You finish by installing the operating system drivers and the mining software of your choice. Once installed, disable PCIe power management and set persistent driver settings. Then verify every GPU appears in Device Manager or LSBCI and run a brief stress test to confirm stability and correct hash rates. If a card is missing or unstable, power down and inspect power connectors and riser seating, revert BIOS tweaks one at a time, and test suspect GPUs in a known good slot. This isolates the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.